forecast. Where? Sunbrook River at North Chichester. When? From Sunday morning until further notice. Impacts at 7.0 feet. Water up to Moculda Road in Allenstown. Waterfront campsites impacted. Campers should move to higher ground. At 9.0 feet, flooding occurs at multiple campgrounds in the region. Water approaches homes along Moculda Road and properties along Riverside Drive in Allenstown. Buck Street and Epsom floods. Additional details. At 11:15 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 5.9 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late tomorrow morning and continue rising to a crest of 9.0 feet tomorrow evening. Flood stage is 7.0 feet.
Fuck that up. Dumbass. It is the end of the world.
The flood warning is canceled. Creeks and streams may quickly rise out of...
Here it comes. Excuse me?
What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? Portions of northern Connecticut, including the following
That's on
areas.
KZZ40 as well, so that counts.
Connecticut and Windham, Connecticut. Massachusetts, including the following areas. Central Middlesex, Massachusetts. Eastern Essex, Massachusetts. Eastern Franklin, Massachusetts. Eastern Hampden, Massachusetts. Eastern Hampshire, Massachusetts. Eastern Norfolk, Massachusetts. Eastern Plymouth, Massachusetts. Northern Bristol, Massachusetts. Northern Middlesex, Massachusetts. Northern Worcester, Massachusetts. Southeast Middlesex, Massachusetts. Southern Bristol, Massachusetts. Southern Plymouth, Massachusetts. Southern Worcester, Massachusetts. Suffolk, Massachusetts. Western Essex, Massachusetts. Western Franklin, Massachusetts. Western Hampden, Massachusetts. Western Hampshire, Massachusetts. Western Norfolk, Massachusetts, and Western Plymouth, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island, including the following areas. Eastern Kent, Rhode Island. Newport, Rhode Island. Northwest Providence, Rhode Island. Southeast Providence, Rhode Island. Washington, Rhode Island, and Western Kent, Rhode Island. When? From 10 p.m. this evening through Sunday morning. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in minor flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Area creeks and streams are running high and could flood with more heavy rain. Additional details. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
I gotta clean this phone. Holy.
Urban, small stream, and flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? Portions of Maine, including the following areas. Androscoggin, Central Interior Cumberland, Waldo, York, Highlands, Kennebec, Knox, Lincoln, Saginaw, and Somerset, New Hampshire, including the following areas. Belknap, Rockingham, Eastern Hillsborough, Merrimack, Southern Carroll, and Stratford. When? From Sunday morning through Sunday afternoon. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may quickly rise out of their banks. Flooding may...
Alright, and I'm now still waiting for a grade 2 upgrade. A coastal flood warning for coastal York, which KZZ40 might actually tone, apparently. High wind watch for coastal York County, as well as a winter storm watch that still remains in effect for northern New Hampshire and western Maine. So we might still have some more to go. I have to go to work at 4 though, so I'll bring a radio with.
No fucking way. Wow.
Or 10:15 it, but I don't care.
The following is a coastal flood warning. Coastal flood warning in effect from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Sunday. What? Moderate to major coastal flooding during the midday high tide on Sunday. Locally significant coastal flooding and beach erosion is likely. Where? In the Saginaw, Lincoln, Knox, and coastal Waldo counties. In New Hampshire, coastal Rockingham County. When, from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Sunday, tidal flood impacts 1 to 2 feet of inundation are likely in some areas. Heavy rainfall shortly before high tide will lead to some additional impacts as water will be slow to run off around high tide and locations near marshes. Wave impacts, large breaking waves of 10 to 15 feet, will lead to additional impacts along exposed shorelines. Infrastructure that remains damaged by previous storms in January will be particularly vulnerable.
Damn.
Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth. Now for the official national
Oh my God.
forecast for coastal New Hampshire.
A first on this channel, toned coastal flood warning. I don't know why, but WNG 575 does not tone CFWs that include coastal Rockingham. They only 1050 them. KZZ 40, on the other hand, tones them. And I assume any other gray station that serves coastal areas tones them as well. But wow, that's a channel first for me, and that is my first ever received toned coastal flood warning in a very long time. That's incredible. Here we go.
Here is winter storm warning information for the following areas in Maine, Central Somerset, Franklin, Oxford, and the following areas in New Hampshire, Northern Kent, Grafton, West, heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 8 and 12 markedly higher amounts at higher elevations. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Where portions of west central and western Maine and northern New Hampshire. From 10 p.m. this evening to 2 p.m. Sunday. A snowstorm will bring plowable snow to the region with a period of moderate travel impacts expected. The combination of heavy wet snow and gusty winds will lead to snapped branches and downed trees. Periods of moderate and heavy snow will combine with low visibility to create dangerous driving conditions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by going to newengland511.org. What? Urban.
All right.
For the following areas in Massachusetts: eastern Essex, southeastern Middlesex, and western Essex. What? Southeast winds 45 to 35 miles per hour, gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of eastern, northeastern, and southeastern
Finally got a good winter storm warning capture.
Island. When? From midnight Eastern Standard Time tonight to 10 a.m. Sunday. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details. Strongest winds will likely be...
Alrighty, Roo. Been a long time since I've seen more than just the 3 messages on the Radio Shacks in combination with a winter event. / flood event, because the winter is only in the fucking mountains. Down here, it's just all flooding again. Look at that.